Shall we go for coffee?
Let's go!
Yes, it's time for maintenance again. Hello guys, welcome back to T-Now, and as you guys can see today, we're going to change spark plug. So these are the tools that you need: side stand, spanner, spark plug socket, and the extension. So this is how to do it. First off, you need to unscrew this 4 screw, 1, 2, 3, 4, and take out this ignition coil. Then the spark plug is inside. Then you can change it. Okay guys, now let you guys see the comparison between the old and the new one. Old one, new one. See? That's why you need to maintain your car regularly. Okay guys, so to fix back the plug, you just reverse what we have do just now. And you must be curious why we didn't fix it back. Because we have found another issue. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching our video. If you like this video, do remember to subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in our next video. Bye bye.